Hi friends! In this video, we'll look at addition using the strategy doubles plus 1. When we think of doubles facts, we're talking about adding two of the same number. The add-ins are the same. Like in this example, 3 plus 3. Both add-ins are the number 3. So we're doubling the number 3. That's why it's called a doubles fact. In order to use the doubles plus 1 strategy, you should be fluent with your doubles addition facts. Fluent means that you can express the answer accurately and quickly. These are some of the doubles facts that you should be fluent with. They're sums through 20. Doubles plus 1 facts means that we add two numbers that are almost the same. The add-ins are close to doubles. For example, 2 plus 3. Let's take a closer look at 2 plus 3. I know that 2 plus 3 is very close to a doubles fact that I'm already familiar with. 2 plus 2. So how can I use what I already know about 2 plus 2 to help me solve 2 plus 3? Well, if I think about 3, I can decompose that to 2 and 1. So when I think about 3 as 2 and 1, I can see my doubles fact, 2 plus 2, and then I just tack on one more. So I'm really thinking 2 plus 2 plus 1. I see that 2 plus 2 is 4, and one more is 5. So 2 plus 3 is 5. Let's use a model to help us see this a little bit differently. 3 plus 4 is very close to the doubles fact 3 plus 3. Well, we already know that 3 plus 3 is 6, so one more would be 3 plus 3 plus one more, or 6 plus one more, or 7. So 3 plus 4 is 7. Let's try this one, 4 plus 5. What doubles fact is 4 plus 5 very close to? 4 plus 4. So if we already know that 4 plus 4 is 8, we can think about 4 plus 5 as 4 plus 4 plus one more, which would be 9. So that means that 4 plus 5 equals 9. You can see in the model that we've decomposed 5 to 4 and 1. And so when we put those back together, we see that they're 5. 4 plus 5 is 9. Thanks for exploring our strategy, doubles plus 1.